with the Ruiz.
So, serious illegal detention tapos
Trafficking and everything. It is
What?
what are the other cases?
trafficking.
Trafficking. Why trafficking?
Because he was trafficked. The one who will assess.
No, na-traffic siya. Galing-galingan mo paging abogado, sir. Mukhang medyo
But it is
baka
up,
matalo tayo rito.
but it is up to
Ito ang Wow Trending. Napailing si Senador Rapi Tulfo at iba pang mga senador nang makaharap nila ang dating abogado ni Nanay Elvie na si Attorney Jovito Gambol. Galing-galingan mo ang pagiging abogado, sir. Baka matalo tayo. Ito ang sinabi ni Senador Rapi Tulfo kay Attorney Jovito Gambol dahil ayaw ni Senador Rapi Tulfo na baka mabaliwala ang isasampang kaso ng abogado ni Nanay Elvie at gustong siguraduhin na mabubulok ang mag-asawang Ruiz sa kulungan. Sa interview kasi ni Attorney Gambol, sinabi niya na nagbitiw siya bilang abogado ni Nanay Elvie dahil sa nasaksihan niya. Hindi ito tinanggap ng mga netizen at lalo pang sure win na ang kaso. Dito, parang luminaw na sadyang tinanggal si Attorney Gambol bilang abogado dahil walang bilib ang mga senador sa kanya. At ang bagong abogado ngayon ni Nanay Elvie ay ang mga senador na mismo ang pumili. Mabuti na rin na umatras ang attorney ni Nanay Elvie kasi baka siya pa ang magpatalo sa kaso. Walang alam yan. Natawa nga si Senador Tulfo sa sagot ni Attorney Gambol na sinabi niya na human trafficking daw, na traffic daw. Dapat, Ma'am Elvie, huwag kang magpasilaw ng pera tulad ni Bonita Baran. Hayaan mong mabulok sa kulungan pagbayaran ng ginawa sa'yo. Huwag kang masilaw sa pera at magpadikta sa kapatid mo kasi pera ang habol ng kapatid mo, ma'am. Baka nabayaran, iyan para bumitaw. Kasi ang matakot malabo, kasi ang mga abogado sanay iyan sa takutan. Kaya hindi basta-bastang takutin at mukhang hindi mananaig ang batas dahil pera na ang kumikilos. Maraming pera ang akusado kaya kayang kumuha ng maraming abogado at pati yata yung killer kaya bumayad, kaya malamang mauwi lang iyan sa wala kung pera na ang kumikilos. Nakakatakot na. Attorney, di kayang ipagtanggol ang inapi at binulag ng anak ng demonyo. Wala nang kukuha sa iyo. Sana di ka na lang naging attorney. Ang sabihin mo, binayaran ka na. Hindi naman, mukhang abogado, mukha kang construction worker. Nakapagtataka kung bakit umatras ang unang abogado ni Aling Elvie na bayaran o walang bayag kasi nasa panig siya ng taong dapat na ipagtanggol pero iniwan niya. Hindi niya kayang ipaglaban ang taong naaapi. Sayang, big break mo na sana, attorney, para makilala ka. Yan ang mali ng mga abogadong ayaw makilala ng buong mundo. Sumikat ka na sana ng husto pero sinayang mo ang pagkakataon. Di yan deserve na sumikat, deserve niya mabash. Walang paninindigan na turingang abogado.
Yung abogado si Attorney Gambol, kayo po ang
For the record, Your Honor, the barangay chairman was also charged in the serious illegal detention I filed before the Office of the City Prosecutor of Bumba.
meron na.
Because I honestly believe, to be honest, he acted in conspiracy and collusion. Because according to LB, he called Mr. Ruiz.
Did she hear it? Did Aling Elvie hear it?
Yes.
Na tumawag si kay Ruiz?
Positively, I stated in her sinumpang salaysay, the barangay chairman, after he asked help from him, called the barangay.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi niya pinakawalan kaya serious illegal detention. Hinold niya.
Yeah, I believe that she should be charged also for as acted in conspiracy and collusion with the Ruiz.
So, serious illegal detention tapos
Trafficking and everything. It is up to the Office of the City Prosecutor to assess and appreciate whether or not the barangay chairman will be charged.
okay. Sandali po, Ma'am Elvie, nung nandoon ka, pinigilan kanya na para makaalis at para hintayin na dumating yung amo?
Hindi po ako, hinintay lang po ng kapitan yung amo ko. Tinawagan niya po, sabi po niya, Sir Jerry, nandito yung isang bahay mo, ngayong katulong mo.
Pero
Tapos sabi po nung kapitan na inong amo kong lalaki, kausap yan, sabi ng amo ko, huwag kayong maniwala dyan sa katulong ko, nagsisinungaling.
pero hinold ka ba niya?
Ba?
Hinold ka niya, hindi ka niya pinalabas, ayaw ka niya pakawalan.
Hindi niyo po,
Ni kapitan.
Ibinigay na po sa amo ko.
Pero hindi ka na
Pagdating niya po, pagdating ng amo ko, pinasundo
Hindi,
niya.
pero ibig sabihin, kasi papailan daw ng serious misconduct. Kasi Mr. Attorney Gambol, I'm not a lawyer. Kasi pag sinabing serious illegal detention, pinipigilan mo siya.
Yeah.
Kasi baka mamaya mababaliwala yung kasong sasampa mo sa kanya. Nakangisi to, nanalo pa.
Mr. Senator, because there are several cases filed against the respondent. One of which is serious illegal detention.
Paano naging serious illegal detention?
Because LB, according to the statement of LB, she was detained from 2021 after the Ruiz hit her up and bring to
Dinetain sa barangay.
in the house of Ruiz. And she was rescued only on June 28,
Sino
2023.
nag-detain sa kanya sa bahay ni Ruiz?
The Ruiz.
The Ruiz. So hindi siya.
Yes, but the
So you cannot file serious illegal detention against him when in fact he's not involved doon sa pagdidetain sa kanya kundi mga Ruiz. So mga Ruiz ang papailan ng serious illegal detention.
yes, but if there is conspiracy, all the conspirators are equally guilty.
Galing-galingan mo paging abogado, sir. Mukhang medyo
But it is up,
matalo tayo rito.
but it is up to
You
the
just said na you're gonna file serious physical injury.
It is up to the prosecutor, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Senator, to appreciate whether or not.
So ang ibig sabihin baka nag-conspire.
Yes, because the mere fact that he called Mr. Ruiz that
Para madala doon at pagdating doon kinulong
Yes.
at hindi siya makalabas, naging instrumento siya doon sa pag-illegally detain
Detention.
kay ma'am. Okay, so
as earlier
conspiracy.
mentioned, all enforcers who know that a commission of crime should be reported to the
Dahil mas
proper
maganda kung serious illegal detention kaysa dereliction of duty, mas mababaw ang kaso ata nun. Yun na lang, siguro serious illegal detention para mabulok sa bilangguan ko.
What is the status of the case
There will be a hearing tomorrow at 10 a.m.
in
Batangas City Prosecutor.
in Batangas?
I believe that there is
Kasama yung mga amo niya?
yes, I believe that that the subpoena were already issued to the respondents, and I honestly believe also that I don't know whether the Ruiz will be
Attending.
arriving and submit counter affidavit.
Okay. How many cases have you filed?
Serious illegal detention, considering the fact that the LB was detained in 2021 at Mambuao.
Okay.
Then
What else?
she was transferred to Batangas City and stayed there at the house of the Ruiz for 40 days because according to LB,
All right. What are the other cases?
trafficking,
Trafficking. Why trafficking?
because he was trafficked in the house of LB. I don't. It's up to the prosecutor because the prosecutor will be the one who will assess.
No, na-traffic siya.
Then
Explain.
serious physical injuries and violation of kasambahay law. That's the case now pending before the office of the city prosecutor of Batangas.
Bakit po traffic? Bakit human trafficking? Bakit po human trafficking?
Because he was exploited in traffic in the house of the Ruiz.
So tinaffic si Ma'am Eva ni Chairman
No,
kay Ruiz.
the Ruiz.
The Ruiz. At kasabot ulit si Chairman.
I hope so that because I believe that
Tapos sabi yung bahala na si Piskal tungkol doon.
yes, bahala the
Maybe you need,
City-
you need assistance of good lawyers as well. Hindi kita minamalita, Attorney Gambol. You're good.
No problem.
Pero siguro kailangan mo yung mga assistance ng mga iba pa mga lawyers sa CHR, Public Attorney's Office.
But
para
once the
pagtulungan nyo.
serious illegal detention is filed, there is no bail recommended
Very good. Very
because
good. I like
the
that.
penalty is reclusion.
Kasi kung parang shotgun case lang papayad mo, bahala si Piskal.
I don't know.
Medyo delikado tayo. Kasi pa sa trafficking, sinabi mo human trafficking, dahil tinapik niya,
No.
Uncle Ruiz. Itong si Ma'am LD mukhang...
The barangay chairman might not be held liable for trafficking. It is
Teka, sabi mo, kasama sa mga kaso niya, human trafficking.
because I earlier said if there is conspiracy, all of the perpetrators are equally guilty. Based on the statement of LB, the mere fact that the barangay chairman called Mr. Ruiz that she was there is only show that that there was communication between him and Mr. Ruiz.
That's human trafficking.
Yeah.
So you were saying you will just leave it to the prosecutors
Yes,
to
definitely.
determine or to appreciate the pieces of evidence that you
Yes, yes.
presented.
But the first crime that I filed is serious illegal detention with penalty of reclusion perpetua, and then
No bail.
it's unbailable. Just like what you mentioned earlier, Mr. Senator, that the earlier case of
Bonita Baran.
Bonita, the perpetrator, the employer, were convicted of serious illegal detention.
Serious illegal detention and grave physical injuries? Serious physical injuries?
Yes.
Alright.
Because the fiscal also can appreciate that cruelty as aggravating circumstances.
Are you the only one who is handling the case of Manang LV?
The lawyer of Senator Tolentino also entered
Okay.
their appearance as counsel tomorrow.
So you are the main lawyer, head lawyer?
Because yes, I was we live in the same, we came from the same barangay Simlong, Batangas City. That is the reason why her uncle called me to help her.
All right.
Chairman, isa